AI is not coming for jobs. It's already taking them. And if you think this only affects factory workers or basic customer service roles, you're behind. In 2026, AI is replacing white-collar jobs. Analysts, designers, coders, marketers, even parts of finance and law. This isn't science fiction. This is now. Let's break down what's actually happening, and more importantly, how to position yourself before you're on the wrong side of it. First, understand this shift. AI no longer just automates tasks. It performs cognitive work. Large language models write reports. AI agents handle customer support. Algorithms review contracts. Automation tools build websites. Generative AI creates marketing campaigns in seconds. Companies are realizing something simple. If AI can do 70% of a role, they don't need as many people. That's the real disruption. We're entering what I call the efficiency decade. Businesses are under pressure to cut costs. AI increases output. AI lowers payroll expenses. AI works 24/7. That math is dangerous for traditional employment models. Now here's where it gets serious. It's not just entry-level jobs. Mid-level management is exposed. Why? Because AI reduces the need for coordination layers. If workflows are automated, reporting is automated, scheduling is automated, companies flatten, fewer managers, smaller teams, higher output, and this is accelerating. But here's the part nobody talks about. AI doesn't just eliminate jobs, it reshapes them. Every technological revolution destroys roles, but creates new leverage. The people who lose are the ones who ignore the shift. The people who win are the ones who adapt early. So what does adaptation actually mean in 2026? Step 1. Learn to use AI, not compete with it. If you work in marketing, use AI tools daily. If you work in finance, automate analysis. If you're in tech, learn AI integration. If you're in healthcare, understand automation systems. The highest paid workers will be AI-augmented workers. Step 2. Move toward strategic thinking. AI is powerful at execution. It's weaker at judgment, leadership, risk analysis, and high-level strategy. The more your role involves decision-making and complex judgment, the safer you are. Step 3. Consider ownership. This is the real wealth shift. Employees trade time for money. Owners leverage systems. AI dramatically increases the power of small teams. One person with AI can now produce what required 5 to 10 people before. That means entrepreneurship barriers are lower than ever. If you've ever thought about starting something, this is the era. Now let's address fear. Is AI replacing jobs? Yes. Will it eliminate all jobs? No. But it will eliminate average skill sets. The middle compresses. Low skill gets automated. High skill gets augmented. Ownership gets amplified. That's the new structure. And here's the opportunity most people miss. AI companies, AI infrastructure, AI chips, cloud computing, automation platforms. When labor shifts, capital flows. Positioning yourself financially around AI growth could be one of the biggest wealth plays of the decade. Technology revolutions don't ask for permission. They move. The internet changed commerce. Smartphones changed communication. AI is changing labor. The only real question is, will you adapt or react? Now, if you want to enter the $250 giveaway, subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment below AI era, and tell me whether you think AI will create more jobs than it replaces. I'll randomly select one person to win $250. AI isn't the end of opportunity. It's the beginning of a new leverage era. And the people who understand leverage win.